So it is better to worship a perfect man, Jesus, or a perfect one leg. Which one will you choose? Kalmatullah, who became flesh, even according to Quran. Muslim God is a man, brother, head to toe. These are Quran and Hadith, Islamic sources. You can have a picture and you can verify and confirm. You can have a picture of this. Muslim God is a man, has one leg, two right hands.
That's not true.
Open your Quran and you are going to see this Quran is corrupt, fake translation, false translation, corrupted. Open 1917 and compare it with this. This is Quran 1917 with correct translation. That translation is corrupted. You can check it right now.
Wait, can I answer? Can I?
If this translation is wrong, I will give them $2,000 right now from my debit card.
All right, can I answer? Or
If these references are
you willing
not
to listen or
authentic,
no?
yes, sure, brother, let me talk to him. Brother,
but
do you have any question?
you're not willing-
Take a picture of this and verify. This is Muslim God. The Muslim God head to toe is a man explained by their prophet. He appeared like a perfect man as a curly hairs. If any one of the reference is wrong,
Whenever you're ready, I'll.
yes, yes.
Whenever
Let me talk to that brother. Explain to that brother first. I know you are using a tactic that I may not talk to him.
No.
When I was talking to them, you ran away.
What?
Now I want to talk to him first.
Wait, I was here.
Brother, if you have any question related to Islam or Christianity, you can ask me. I will give you reference, and this Quran which they have given you has the most corrupt, made up, make up translation. There is no Arabic in it. Just verify this one verse in that. You are going to see how they deceive people with wrong translation and making up, they do make up. They have make up this translation just to deceive people. Are you Christian?
I have a religious affiliation.
Yes. So let me ask you one question. Their claim is that everyone should reject Christianity because Christians, they worship Jesus and Jesus is a man. That is their claim without knowing the Christian doctrine or theology. My point is these are all references from their books. Authentic reference.
It's also saying Muhammad is a
Yeah. So if Muhammad is saying that Allah appeared as a man with curly hairs, then why they are worshipping that man? In Quran, if Allah, Spirit of Allah is appearing as a perfect man, then why they are worshipping? It's hypocrisy of them. If they reject Jesus, they should reject Allah. My point is that. Now, if brother, you do not follow anyone, let me ask you a simple question and you can check your heart.
Tell you we just believe in
Brother.
Jesus, we believe in-
Brother, do you have family? Brother, do you have family?
yeah.
Let me ask you a simple question and you have to decide for yourself whether Islam is true or Christianity is true. If you love someone, whether it is your you can also answer my question.
You're not allowing me to.
Let me finish that. I'll allow you. I will give you 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes.
You're spreading lies, and
Sir.
you're not allowing me to address the lies.
Prove which reference is a lie
You don't
here.
understand the text. You're mistranslating the
Whoa,
text.
tell me which is mistranslated. Tell me.
Tell you.
Which
You're-
one?
whatever-
Which
everything
one?
that you
Now
just
let me
said.
talk to him.
God is not
One
a man.
question,
We
sir.
don't believe in God as a man.
Sir.
You believe in God as a man.
Here.
We believe in Jesus.
Yes, so you should reject
was
Allah.
God. We don't believe Jesus was God. We believe Jesus
You
was
should
sent by
reject
God.
Allah because your
I don't
Allah
reject
is a
Allah.
man according to
No,
your
Allah is not a
sources.
man.
That is how you are deceiving.
Let me-
Okay, brother. Father, mother, children, wife. Do you love someone?
Like Allah. There's nothing
Okay.
like Allah. From the text,
Whom
from
you
the
love the most in your life?
Keep spreading lies.
If that your loved one is in such a situation where that your loved one life is on threat, but only you can save the life of your loved one, but for that you have to give your life to save the life of your loved one. Would you do that?
Sacrifice myself for my loved one?
Definitely.
Yeah.
Then sir, in your heart you are a Christian. Why? Because this is the message of cross. And that is how, now it is totally up to you You want to worship a man, or you want to worship a God who became a man and he did sacrifice for you in love? I challenge them to prove their God is love. In their entire text, Quran or Hadith, anywhere their God has said, I love everyone. I challenge them here. If they give one single reference, I will right now, I have $100 in my pocket.
All right. Every
He
single
loved
chapter-
everyone.
Okay. Every single. Are you done?
I have given you a challenge. Give reference now.
Are you done?
Not from the fake translation. I am able to pull up the Quran. I do have Quran in my bag.
Okay.
And you know that Quran is different from this Quran.
No, we only have one version.
You see, he said we have versions. You have versions?
One version.
One version?
Only
No.
one version.
You have 27 versions. Just type on YouTube how many versions of Qurans are in the world.
That's right.
And you can check right now if he is lying or I am lying.
So we
If I am lying, I will leave the conversation right now. I will accept Islam if he is saying this is a big claim.
All right. Are you
I
done?
cannot do better than this. I will accept Islam
have
if
a
there is
civil
only one version of Quran. But if there are more than one different version I have in my bag, if he is going to, if he is going to leave Islam, I will show.
Open that.
Are you going to leave it?
Open that version.
Are you going to leave
There's
Islam?
Only one version.
Are you going to leave
There's
Islam if
only one version of
if my version is different than your version? Are you going to leave
only one
Islam?
version.
I have said if I am wrong, I will accept Islam. Now tell him if he is wrong, I will prove he is wrong. Is he going to accept Christianity?
Are you done?
Challenge is right here. Open challenge with open arms.
Are you
I
done?
do not have to go anywhere. I just have to open my bag.
Are you done?
Accept my challenge.
Can I respond?
Accept my challenge.
Can I respond?
Simple
Can I
challenge.
respond? Yes or no?
Simple challenge to
Can I respond?
these are the in charge of Dallas downtown Muslim evangelism, and he cannot accept my challenge. I have given a challenge. I will accept Islam if I am wrong.
Okay. Are you done?
I do not have to go anywhere. I just have to open my bag.
So, I'll
Now,
talk to you.
accept my
What
challenge.
he's saying is different pronunciation.
Oh no, we can check that.
The Quran. I'll tell you right now.
We can check that.
No, there's not.
Yes.
There's different versions. The Quran has come down on 7 different dialects.
Now he has changed his. So
No, I haven't changed
no,
anything. I haven't changed
he now first he's saying one version. Now he's saying 7. Note it down. Now he's saying 7.
You ready?
So how many? How many different Qurans?
God revealed. God revealed. Arabs have different dialects, right? In the same way, if you go to New Jersey, they have different accent, right? They have a different.
It's not about accent. If his claim is true about different accent, again I'm going to accept Islam. But he is not accepting my challenge.
If you go to
Again his
Australia-
statement is wrong.
No, you're wrong. If you go to Australia, right? They say mate, right? Here, what do you say? You say dude, you say buddy, right? You don't
Right
say
here.
mate. It's a different dialect,
So
right? So the
he's saying
Quran
different
came
dialogue?
Came down with different dialects to address the different Arabs that were living at the time. So it came down, it's one version. It's one version, but it's a different dialect.
Can you
that came
explain
down,
what is
and
one
God
version?
revealed all of these dialects to make it easier for people to comprehend the Quran. Okay? So it's not a different version, it's the exact same version, it's just a different dialect. You hear me?
accept my challenge. I will prove you wrong on pronunciation and accent. So brother, he claimed different accent,
Dialects. Did
but
you hear me?
define dialects.
A dialect is a whole different, is a way of.
If I
is a-
prove it right now,
No,
different
I
words.
told you it's a dialect.
Listen to me, brother. What is your name?
There's dialect called Warsh. There's dialect called Hafs. It's a
Now he's
dialect-
naming the different Qurans,
No, I'm not naming.
telling the names of different Qurans.
I'll give you an example. Right?
Again, he is trying to make up, but I'm going to refute him right now.
I'm not. Open the Quran. Show me the different version. It's a different
If
dialect.
now again,
It's a different
listen to my
dialect.
challenge. Next challenge.
Listen, how does this?
You have
this
not
prove-
accepted
No,
my
no,
two
how does-
challenges. Now I'm giving you third challenge. If different words are there, if different words are there, and different meaning is there,
And make up your mind.
plain
All right? Yeah. Forget
if
the
different
Chinese
words are
guys.
there,
God is not a man. Read the
if
Quran.
different
If you
words,
if you
he
come
has
to
taken the
conclusion
picture.
that God is a man from the Quran.
He
hit me up.
has
You got my
taken
number,
the
I'll text
picture.
you.
of Islamic sources.
And this guy.
Now, again he's running. He's running. Let me check. Let me give you different words with different meanings. In this Quran, in that Quran, the word in Quran 3:146 is fought. Prophet fought. So a person is alive and a person is dead. Is it the same thing or different? Different? Different words? So in your Quran, if you open right now Quran 3:146, there the word is written fought. But in this Quran I have opened, the word is killed. So is it a different dialect or accent or different word and different meaning? You judge for yourself. That word is right here. That is why he ran away. He didn't accept my challenge and he ran away. That is why I'm here. They deceive people with false translations. So that word is right here. I can highlight that different word. That word is right here in Arabic. Nabi, prophet, Qutal, killed. In your Quran, if you open right now, I will help. I know how to reach out there. I just want to show you. I just want to show you. Open this Quran and go to 3:146. Right here, brother. It is 3 and we are going to 146. Thank you, brother, for your courage to stay and listen to me. Because we should know how deception works. 3:146 is right here. Is it 146? No, 166. Sorry, my glasses are not on. 142, 144, 146. Imagine how many Davids fought. Did I say wrong? Here the word is fought. In this Quran which I have brought, the word is killed. So is it a different accent?
It's a different word.
Different word with different meaning. Like a difference of heaven and earth. One is fighting person is alive, but a killed person is dead. So that is one more thing. In your Quran, if you open up 1917. In your Quran, I can tell you right now from my memory, in that Quran it is written in translation, Angel Gabriel appeared to Maryam, the mother of Jesus. But here, Angel Gabriel is not there. It is our spirit of Allah is appearing. In your Quran, it's Allah himself is appearing to Maryam, but because they want to deceive people that their God is not a man, they say, no, this is not Allah, this is not spirit of Allah. They have changed the translation and they have written in your Quran, Angel Gabriel appeared to Maryam as a man. So brother, when I ask you question about the love, and I challenge them to give one reference, Bible says God loved the world, which means everyone. Everyone is included in that. And I have given you example with your question, with an example and analogy. And the message of cross makes sense to you in this way that you said yes to that message. That is what Christ did for you. In love. And that is the true love. Love, the height of love is sacrifice. If they can prove their God is love, they say their God is love, but they cannot prove it. So a thing which they cannot prove, how they are following and worshipping that God. So brother, it was really, if I have stopped here, I think I have just stopped for you. So brother, I love you in Christ. Think about that. If you want to follow the love. There is nothing like that. If you want to share your name, it's up to you.
Mari. Yeah.
It was really pleasure and nice talking to you.
Yes,
Sorry I speak a little loud because of music and everything, but I have given them 3-4 challenges. The first guy ran away. He said, oh, we worship the same God. I said, oh, is your God a father? And he was not answering and he ran away. So if their God is not Father, Heavenly Father, then it means their God and Christian God is different. That is how they deceive people, brother.
I appreciate
So if, again, you have taken the picture,
it. Yeah, I got it.
if any one of these reference is from their books, is wrong, you will, even if sitting your home, you're, oh, I said something, lie to you. No. These are all authentic references. Allah is head to toe described as a man. And one more thing, brother, if you are here, are you married?
I was to get a divorce.
Okay. So, is it good a husband should lie to wife or wife should lie to husband? No? It can go for long, that marriage. Their prophet said a husband and a wife, they can speak lie to one another. Right here. This is authentic. It is not lawful to lie except in 3 cases. Something a man tells his wife to please her, or a lie during war. In explanation, what their prophet said, you can even say that you do not believe in me in war if your life is in danger. What kind of prophet is that? And to lie in order to bring peace. Is that a good peace, a long-lasting peace, which is sourced and based on lie?
That's a good point. That's why I wanted to read it. I'm gonna read it. And I'm gonna see what messages they had to share.
Yes. So this is, brother, not from God. Their God, yes, brother, their God only loved them, not anybody else. Nice talking to you, and Lord bless you. Think about my question which I have asked you. There is nothing comparable and better thing than love in this life. To share that love, to express that love, and to, tell that love. So Lord bless you, brother. Thank you so much.